No, I look fat. Hi guys. I'm not gonna say hi guys today. Walking suck actually. I wish I had long hair like Rihanna. What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? In today's video, we're going to do something a little different than normal because I know that I tried following a makeup tutorial the trend's a little over, but guess what? It's back! And in today's video, I'm gonna be following the brand new Rihanna'S iconic Vogue makeup tutorial. Now this hit the internet a few days ago and everyone went poof. I never got so many funny ass jokes from people writing all of the beauty gurus on YouTube going, "You're all canceled." Well, today, bitch, we are not canceled, but we are gonna celebrate Rihanna'S amazing makeup tutorial and of course her brand Fenty Beauty. Now, I am going to just play along and try to follow exactly how Rihanna does her tutorial. Now, this shit has over 6 million views, everyone is living for it, and Vogue, you are really smart for doing that because everyone is now like, Rihanna, please come on YouTube and do makeup tutorials. Her voice is just so soothing and I am definitely a fan of this video. Alright, so I grabbed a bunch of products that are in the video. If there's something that she's using that I don't have, I will substitute it for something else, of course. So we are going to log in here. Let's type in Rihanna'S Epic 10-minute guide to going out makeup. Beauty secrets with Vogue. Alright, so I'm just gonna go right into it and let's start beating this face.
Hi, I am going to do my makeup for you guys. All of you Vogue readers and Vogue bloggers and you Vogue fans. We're gonna have some fun today, so.
Let's do it, baby.
We're gonna start with the foundation. So, I like to get messy with it.
Okay, so she's already jumping right into foundation. By the way, I love that she's standing in a random kitchen. The lighting is like perfect and her friends are behind her laughing and like cheering her on. It's kind of like the best scenario ever. So she dives in right into her Fenty foundation, which I do have my shades right here, but I need to prime because girl, the skin needs some primer. Look at me. I got a pimple, I got a razor burn, and I got a pore that's acting crazy. I've never looked this crazy before. Okay, so for primer today, we're gonna use the Gucci Face Primer. I love this one. It's the Silk Priming Serum. Now I like to use a lot. And we're gonna take our little Morphe blending sponge and we're just gonna apply this all over our entire face. And by the way, you guys, who else is living for all of the new Fenty stuff? Like, I know I reviewed the Body Lava, the Fairy Balm Pom Pom, but I love how much stuff Fenty is coming out with. They are definitely not playing around, and there's definitely some sneak peeks of new products in this Vogue video, which of course I don't have yet. Can't wait to get it. So that will be fun to peek at. But all right, we are fully primed. Now let's see how she does her foundation. Oh, she just goes in.
Like, because it's like a safe bet, consistent.
Okay, now there's a lot of comments on this video saying Rihanna didn't pick her foundation color right, but then when you go further into the video, the foundation, I know everyone hates the word oxidizes, but the foundation like really starts to morph into her skin color and it looks flawless to me. So if you've never tried the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r foundation, it is very quick to dry. So I like to shake it up and do just parts of my face just like she did. All right, so I'm just gonna mix shade 140 with 170. I haven't used this in a while. So let's see what, ooh girl, hi. So let's see what happens here.
I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours it feels like.
Okay.
Sometimes. Depends on what kind of day you're having.
Her eyes are so pretty. Okay, so she's like, I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours. I'm like, I think we can all relate to that because sometimes we have like no time to get ready and we just gotta run. And I'm sure a lot of you are like, girl, it's Rihanna. I'm sure she has a private makeup artist, personal, on standby, but not everyone does, you guys. You'd be surprised.
A little bit of contour.
Oh, contour. Okay.
Contour right here. Very important.
Ooh.
To contour your face for your face, not the way you see on every YouTube tutorial.
Ooh, she's reading y'all to the
I have a
ground.
huge forehead, so I like to go.
Bitch, I got a big forehead too.
Hide that. You know what I'm saying?
I do.
To go into the hairline too.
Yes. Okay, I love that she said that. She's like, don't contour how you see other people do it. Do it for your face shape. And I think a lot of people just see like a technique on someone and they kind of follow that exactly. But you do, of course, want to do it to your own face shape. Now, I grabbed, what is this? Amber and Mocha. I'm not sure which one to do. This one is a really cool tone, which I don't mind. So maybe we'll go in with this, okay. And let's just go in and let's see how much she does. Ooh, that forehead, she really goes in. And let's see what happens.
I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally.
Blend it, bitch.
Up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy.
Yes, it does. I love how excited she is about applying the makeup. Like, I love that. Oh! Believe it or not. She learned how to contour when she gained weight. I love that. She's like, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna keep it really real with you guys. Okay, now she used her face brush to blend out. I'm not the biggest fan of that. I just love beauty blenders for creams. So let's blend this out.
Deeper situations before I go in and like highlight my face. So you see, like, this is a little messy.
See, we just said it. Everyone does it different. Like, this is a little messy. I'm gonna handle that.
Triangle when you're doing a contour under there.
Ooh.
Neck situation, it just disappears. Concealer.
Okay, so before concealer, she does like a triangle. I'm like, girl, I love doing that now. Work.
I like to warm up on my hand first, just like that.
Ooh, okay.
And like one little swipe. Everybody knows concealer's made for hiding bags and dark circles and
that's right, baby.
And bad decisions. Over here, the cure.
We all have those, honey.
My day to day really depends on my mood. Depends on the occasion. It depends on how lazy I'm feeling that day, how much in a rush I am.
Amen.
You know, who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do.
Okay, so let's blend this out. I love how real she is. Like, recently, she told everyone, hey, me and Drake aren't friends. And when he tried to give me that award and confess his love, wasn't into it. I was like, ugh. Like, she is one of the realest. And I think that's why everyone just fucks with her and respects her, because she don't play around.
Okay, now we're looking a little smoother.
Yes, we are.
Alright, I'm gonna go around my nose because I'm a little sunburnt right now, so I have a little redness there.
Okay. I love this one because it doesn't leave a crazy cast over your face. It's just kind of like more natural, which is good. And anyone can use this. Even her cream contour, she sets it with that. I'm like, okay, honey, we're gonna put it right over there, bam. And then she goes in with a bronzer and warms up her face. Now, they don't say what brand the bronzer is. Maybe it's something they're working on, you never know. But I'm gonna pull out my La Mer bronzer, one of my favorites on the planet.
The blend is real.
The blend, honey, is real.
A little more finesse on the forehead over here.
Okay.
You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes me long when I'm procrastinating. I'm going along my nose right here.
Ooh, okay.
Next, brow.
Oh, she literally just did her brows off camera.
Next.
Okay.
See that?
I love how like calm and collected she sounds.
Women do makeup. I mean, since my mom. And then
oh, me too.
I started working in an industry where makeup was going to be a part of my everyday, basically. So I picked up a lot of tips there, and I think the best teacher is yourself. You have to practice on your own.
Yes,
because
I
there
agree.
are going to be things that you can do better than makeup artists. Like, there's a certain point where they hand you something and you do it because there's one way that you like it and one way that it works. For me, that's my brows. Super
okay. She's particular about the brows. Same.
Because I'm black, you know, that's very special nose. Next,
I'm done with her.
To be a little bit of eyelid drama.
Ooh, eyelid drama. Okay, so she literally takes this brush, contours the nose, she adds in more on the eye. So let me bang that out. And by the way, who else is excited for her brand, like the future? What's gonna come out this year? Like, I love when a new brand launches because you get to see them do so many new products and get excited for them all. I love that she didn't release an entire full line where it's like so overwhelming. She's like slowly adding stuff in, and I think that is amazing.
Beach Please.
Oh!
Beach Please.
Beach Please. Okay, so she's pulling out a brand new highlighter. Oh, okay, so it's in this component. These are called, the official name, of course, the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. She has a new one that's like a purple and orange, of course. I don't have that yet because they are not out. So she just takes a brush. I think that's actually Tom Ford, or maybe that's Morphe, who knows? Okay, so she's just taking some purple.
Drama, bitches.
I love how her friends are behind her just gagging for her. Okay, so she's just putting some like purple on the lids.
I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition.
Okay. Oh, then she's taking some like beautiful brown shade and putting it around. So we're just gonna take a little bit of, since I don't have those, I'm just gonna pull out the iconic Blood Sugar palette, and I'm gonna dip into shade Root Canal real quick here with a little Morphe M441 brush. And I'm just gonna sweep it on my lid right there. But I'm not gonna make it like super bright because she made it more muted.
What kind of day I'm having really determines how I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just wanna go right by the lash line.
Okay.
Like a day like today where I've barely had any sleep, you're gonna get all those little bags right there. But the creases, they show up. If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there?
So real.
Blend that out.
Yes, you better blend the crease.
Fun part. I'm gonna use the same palette.
Oh, she's already highlighting. Whoa, wait. Okay, so we're really gonna cover some dark circles. I love how she's like, I haven't had much sleep. I'm like, can you imagine her schedule, y'all? Okay, so I'm gonna dip into Blood Sugar and type in wow. All right, I'm gonna dip into Ouch and Intravenous, and we are just going to smoke out this lash line real quickly. All right, so she grabs her highlighter palette that is not out yet. So we are just going to, we're just gonna use a few of her other ones.
Blush is also something that depends on your mood. You know, sometimes you're trying to give a little natural vibe, give a little bronze,
okay,
hint. And then sometimes you just want to go like right now. Like, I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is more is more.
More is more. I mean, that's literally my entire life, so I'm so down for that.
Want to smile when you're putting on your blush. Here's your face, and there are your cheeks. See? As soon as you smile,
I'm like, imagine being that pretty.
Where to put that. Okay.
Lord. Okay, so she does blush. The highlighter that's like that purple shade looks so stunning on her. I don't have it yet, so we're gonna dive into some, let's pull out some Gucci blush. I mean, come on. You know Riri is always wearing Gucci. So we're just gonna put some of this soft peach color on here so I don't look so dead. Come on, revive me, honey, revive me.
I know you guys noticed that I've been using this really like cool brush, which I like to call my sharp toothbrush, but it's a cheek hugging brush. It's made perfectly for your cheeks. I want to try some of this.
Oh, another new palette that I don't have? Ooh! That is blinding.
I'm really carried away when it comes to highlight. I'm really good.
Yes. Every beauty guru is currently retiring right now.
The time. There's a technique to it. You just have to figure out what kind of look you're going for.
Yes, you do.
And it makes sense together.
Okay.
Blend together. This is like, whoa, this is giving me my life right now.
It's giving me my life.
With the same brush?
Yes, okay, we're gonna dip into something that isn't out yet from my brand, since we don't have that Rihanna palette, and we're just gonna put a little Supreme Skin Frost right on top of that Fenty. Ooh, look at that glitter and glow, honey. All right, hers was like a full strip of beauty and glow, so we're gonna do the same. And then she's highlighting the bridge of her nose, so let's see how she does that.
Boom. I can even take this and go into my brow bone, just like that.
Ooh, full brow bone.
I think
love that.
The key to highlighter is not being afraid of it. There's always ways to play with highlighter. It doesn't only belong on your cheekbone. A lot of people think that. Makeup is fun. It's there to play with.
I'm like, preach.
I like to do the corner of my eyes because it gives you a little zest.
A little zest. obsessed. I'm like, oh my god, okay. I love her. Okay, so she literally took some like liquid eyeshadow, which I think is brand new. Trend Mood, where you at? Back me up. Which of course we don't have, so I'm just gonna take some Stila Magnificent Metal. Of course her product and formula are way different, but this is all we got. So let's see how much she puts on. Just a little inner corner moment. Inner corners can be so fun. You don't gotta do them crazy. You can literally just do that. Just like Riri, and it's like, hi, hello, how are you? All right, because I know Rihanna is a Kush smoker like me, we're gonna use the brand new Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I really love this. I reviewed this a few weeks ago, and I am obsessed with this formula. It is really bomb. And come on, Marijuana, what's up? Like, dream goal would be to get high with Rihanna. Can you imagine? I just do makeup and hang out. Like, you know what I really live for is that since Fenty has launched last year, so many brands are now being judged for not having enough foundation ranges, for not being inclusive. And I love that Rihanna really solidified that and opened up all that conversation. We all know about the Tarte scandal that happened months ago, where they literally put out like 2 shades for people of color, and the whole internet was like, is this for real? And you know, it just says a lot for companies. Like, if you don't want everyone to wear your brand, then not everyone's gonna support it, and you might need to be called out for that. So it's just started a lot of hot topics and conversations that I think are very relevant and important. When I put up my foundation, there definitely is going to be a lot of shades, and I actually have concealer coming out this year. And no, there will not be 16 shades, there will be like 30, so you know Jeffree Star Cosmetics ain't playing. All right.
Next, I want to do lips.
Okay, lips.
This looks fresh, like it's in the video.
Oh, another new product. Okay.
It's pink right here. You see a little bit of gold? Look how much it really
Lip
shows
gloss,
up.
it says. Okay.
Oh!
Yes. Sounds like me every time I see Dick.
Guys, I mean, you guys.
Yes, she says you guys. I think I said that a lot. Okay, to get the same effect, I'm gonna go in with my liquid lip shade Birthday Suit, and then we're gonna put a little bit of Pussy Whipped in the middle to get that metallic little moment.
Look at that.
Okay, girl.
I look kind of cute.
Her outfit though, I can't.
Next.
I'm like, can I have that robe?
Final step is body. I know you guys know how much.
Oh, okay, Body Lava.
I know you guys know how much I love this product.
Okay, let's do it.
Spooky brush, because this is where the magic lies. The inspiration behind the Body Lava for me.
Okay, let me hear it.
I always used to go to the Caribbean. I mean, home, Barbados, where I'm from. And every single time I would sit there and make body glitter makeup.
Ah, okay.
Oil and eyeshadows that I crushed up.
Yup.
Pigments.
Same.
And I would just blend it all together to make this nice little glowy thing. And I'll have to keep it in like a plastic cup the whole trip. And I always thought I could never find the perfect body makeup, so I made Body Lava. And it is glorious.
Yes, bitch, it is glorious. Okay, if you guys want to see my official full Body Lava review, I am gonna link it down below, of course. Come on, shameless plug. Okay, Body Lava is on. You guys know how I feel about the formula. If you don't, watch the video. Let's see how she finishes. Is there setting spray? Rihanna, do not do this to me.
Where are we going tonight?
Hey.
I hope you enjoy my tutorial, because I'm done.
She's done.
Right.
Oh my god. It's a wrap. There is no setting spray. Rihanna, we're doing setting spray. We have to, mama, because that is not acceptable. We're gonna go in with the Urban Decay All-Nighter. I feel like Rihanna has to use setting spray. I wish we knew what brand. Maybe she's making her own. All right, this face is done. Now, I'm very well aware I will never be as pretty, stunning, or as talented as Rihanna. I know, bitch, but hey, a bitch can try. This look definitely needs those iconic James Charles microblading brows on me. But besides me looking like Marilyn Manson and Barbie just had sex, I actually really like this look. Now, I'm gonna critique Rihanna because I loved her techniques. I love that she kept it simple, and it was a really fun video to follow. I hope that she does more tutorials because I just find her voice so like calming. I was like getting in a trance, and then I started to get lit and more lit, and I was like, I get it. I'm on her level. I feel it. So Rihanna, please start a YouTube channel. Can we do a change petition for that, please? Thank you. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.